Hello and welcome back to our online Wudang Academy. Today we repeat the Taiji 𝐼𝐸𝐵 practice. The Taiji 𝐼𝐸𝐵 practice is important for learning a stable posture, a coordination, and trying to relax with the concentration. So we shouldn't focus all the time which movement comes first, but with continuous practice we can relax and should be able to feel what is happening. So the first Tai Chi principle that is very important when we start off with the form, that you feel the vibration in your fingertips. You can try also for yourself. So first we have tension in the fingers. You try strong tension in the fingers and then slowly relax the fingers, okay? Then at some point you feel the circulation in the fingertips, okay? It shouldn't be too soft and it shouldn't be too strong. Maybe you can try to feel more often at which angle you exactly feel the finger vibration, okay? Make sure the elbow angle is around 2 and the shoulder is around 2, otherwise you won't feel a thing. So you can try out for yourself. When you relax the hand and you just focus on the finger tension, you can feel by going softer, slowly, you can feel at some angle the finger tension. And then you try to close with the elbow, you feel that you no longer feel this vibration in the fingertips, okay? So this way you can determine which posture is the most efficient in terms of circulation for you. The same goes for the Qigong posture. The Qigong posture, you feel the vibration between the head and the toe. This is also very important. This may take some time. I can recommend to you that you make the 𝐸𝐴𝐶 practice. We will have another tutorial, or you can also find it in our online class, that when you feel this vibration between your head and your feet, you know exactly which posture you are straight, okay? So now we know the posture when we are straight. Another one is by the shoulders. When the shoulders are round shape, you can feel the circulation through the arms. It is required that you feel the fingertips, okay? So the fingertips and the shoulders open your circulation here. So you should always feel two main circulations. The one for the straight posture and the other one for the shoulders and the arms. When you practice 𝐸𝐶, you should feel all the circulation, which is very important. So this way we can determine if our Tai Chi is correct. Every posture we should be able to feel the fingertip, okay? This is why we don't overstretch the joints. When we are overstretching the joints in Tai Chi, you will not be able to feel for yourself at which posture you currently are. So doing this, we will try to repeat the Taiji 𝐼𝐸𝐵, which we have been doing in the last 3 episodes. Let's try slowly. 預備 走 Focus on straight posture. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep hands under the shoulder and the gravity center on the hands. Relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax elbow. Go and relax again. Breathe out. Slowly go lower and don't move the knees. 虚步 posture, open. Yes, go. Step. Wide. Open. Okay, and step close. Step back, here. Push and catch the tail here. 马步, don't move posture. Turn upper body. And we go here. 1, 2, 3. Straight, relax. Go forward. 马步. Upper body straight, okay? Go, block, step, turn hip, hold arm, bring arm back, keep the spine in place, turn over, and turn body left. Go, step, go down, breathe in, breathe out, relax, go, breathe in, breathe out, hold, go, step, push, step, breathe in, push, breathe out, go, 马步 1, 2, go, turn body, right hand to heart, push arm down, go, open, and step, here, step 1, go, 2, 1, step, and push. Okay? Be careful and focus on the rhythm control. So the breathing and the coordination is very important, okay? So from this posture now, we also have been doing this section before, so let's do slowly. Go over, 1, step down, 2, open, 3, 虚步, turn, block, turn, go over, 45, open, go wide, step, and we're here. Okay? When we are in this posture here, try, remember, we go back, yes? Get free from counter attack here, go, step, hold, step, open, knee up, and kick, open the hip, relax, yes? And when we here, you step backward slowly, the left hand stay place, open, open, go, block, step, punch, go here. Yes, 走马步, go and look, go over, and we're here again. Breathe in, and another brush over the knee, okay, here. Okay? So far we should remember till here, and here, brush over the knee in a direction of 45. In the Tai Chi, I hardly have time to explain every posture. When I say brush over the knee, it's always the same posture, okay? Before we already have been doing this, okay? Try to remember. In the first section, we had brush over the knee and then open here, okay? So here is now exactly the same. After we here, you turn body, turn, go over and step here and brush over here, go. Okay? And you are in the direction of 45 degrees. So now watch closely what happens. Watch slowly before I explain. Push. Okay? So what is happening here? First you open mabu, hands over cross. The left hand stay placed, the right hand go with the hip, and the hip turn upper body to the right. And open. Both hands fall down. Same time you turn body and push. What we don't want in this movement is like 1, 2. This is not Tai Chi, okay? It's not like 1, fall down, and then push. You know? It should be fluid, 1 power by using the hip motion. Watch closely one more time. When we hear 走马步, fluid motion, 1 with hip. Because hip, everything is round, and then we push. Okay? So now watch closely what happens. Left up, right up, step, turn, go, and step close. 50-50%, 45 in this direction, okay? Let's repeat the section one more time from a different angle. So when we're here, first we're here, yes. When we're here, from here, this angle is very good. Yeah? 1, yes. 2, go, brush over the knee, go, open, and push, go, open, and right leg step close. and the left hand is up, okay? So from this part, we have the horseman 3 times, parting the horseman, okay? So when we're here, we go like 1, wide, finish, circular motion, open, right hand stay up, go strong, wide, push, step close, circular motion, and another one, step wide, and then step close, and the left hand up. Okay, so let's do this slowly, step by step. And we're coming from here, 45, in this direction. 1, so, 2, step, turn, only turn hip, 3, 4, and step close. Finish everything together. Now what we don't want is when you move the shoulder. When we are coming from the posture, watch carefully. Hands go only up and down. Yeah? Hands go up and down. Do not do like this. Yeah? Do not do like changing here. Okay? This is not good. Yeah? Use the hip. Everything, the hip always turning. Okay? Let's do this one more time. We are coming from here. So. And left hand and feet finish same time with hip movement, okay? Hip turn right and everything finish, hand, leg, hip, same time. So then we are here, 1, okay? So now watch closely what we're doing. This movement is a bit more complicated. When we're here, yeah, turn over, stop, relax, breathe in, raise knee, push, 45, go over, step, 1, 2, and single whip, okay? So we should do this movement in 45. So we're coming from here, 1, turn left, go over, right, stop kick, 45, raise the knee, go over, step close, and 1, 2, combo, single whip. The hands movement is very important in this section. Watch the hands movement closely. When we're here, what are the hands doing? Understand? The hands have continuous movement. Continuous movement. Breathe in, push, go over, okay? And then get ready for the single whip. So we do this one more time, slowly, okay? 1, 2, you simply turn the left hand and then both hands, same line. Go, stop kick, 1, step, 50-50%, circular motion, step wide, hold, yeah? Hold here from above, round shape. Round, step, combo. Okay? Now from this movement, watch closely what happens next. Simply relax, come forward, and go back. The left hand fall down, the finger come first, and we simply turn on the right heel and step close. The left hand keeps the hand posture. Then we stand here, okay? I want to show you one more time from the other side. Combo, forward, relax, step, turn, and step close. Then we're here. All right? Now we try from the right direction one more time. Here, 1, step, like 1, step, relax, turn, and step close. Be careful when you do this movement that you don't shift all the time too much, okay? No forth and back. You try to be as compact and small as possible. One more time. So, go. 2, step close. All right, and now we're in this posture. Okay. Now, we make the next movement tomorrow, because otherwise maybe it's a bit too complicated. Please keep practicing what we've been doing up till now. Keep in mind the rhythm control, coordinate the breathing. Don't always think about the movement. Don't try to look outside all the time. Try feeling the fingertips, then you know exactly by feeling where your hands are, okay? You must feel, is your posture straight? Where are your hands? How is your shoulder? Yeah? You cannot take a look all the time at your shoulder. So sooner or later, you must be prepared to come visit our school. So 𝐸𝐸 or some coach can make the corrections, yes, if you are not sure. At some point, you need help in the Tai Chi practice. But for now, you should try focus on the movement and try focus on this feeling. Try feeling when the shoulder is relaxed. Try feeling when you feel the fingertip. Feel circulation through the fingertip. Then you know the shoulder and the elbow is right. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you soon tomorrow. Goodbye.